Good evening, disciples. We came a bit earlier because at least we can able to capture the news. So that is the one reason we came earlier, not apart from anything else. Just we'll see whether if we get an opportunity, definitely we will enter in the trade. There is a two indication sign is there here. Either this high, either this low. Market will tend to take this high or else this low. We have only two choices. What is the overall scenario for the people is people are thinking that market will tend to fall because it will take this liquidity. That is overall concept. See, this is the overall concept is that if you see properly, it is yes 100% sure that market wants to fall. If this low is breaked out, we may get an opportunity like this. Okay, like this one scenario is there, another one scenario is there like this. Two scenarios are there in the market now, because who is going to win? They will break first, they will break the liquidity, then again they will sweep upside. So we should be very careful about what we are entering. So if the instant entries only we can make it up, we cannot able to make it on predict the market, because the news sessions and all, it's a hunt of liquidity. A retail traders liquidity hunt only, it is there. Maybe market may come here, then respect this zone, then again it may fall. Chances are like that also. We don't know what is going to happen. No one knows. Only thing is we should just wait for the opportunity. If we get an opportunity, then we should enter it. That's it. Overall concept is that is what. I am in the buy side. Actually, I am in the buy side, not in the sell. I am in the buy. Another 17 minutes there. My side, I am my side, I am bullish, not bearish. Not bearish. Two scenario I'll keep it up. not recommended for this is the stop loss will be, and this is the target will be. 1 to 4 is there. I don't know, even market may fall. Market may fall. Chances is higher, market may fall. If you see properly, it is a rejection of upside rejections are there comparative to buy side. Okay. This is my stop loss will be just 98 pips will be, and 1 to 3 also I can, because it's almost like a gambling only. To be frank, it's a gambling only. News traders is not good for entries. Yeah, SL is below this. It's not, it's a pure gambling only. SL is this, CP will be above. People are more interested in this selling only. Here they will be in a selling only. Myself, because market has the gap up to respect this zone. Okay, this channel as formation is happening. It may be up to this zone. A minute. Because it's inside the candle. All 3 candles is inside the candles. I don't know, 1-2 minutes. Just 2 minutes will take a time. Enter, it will be so much of big 1.30 pips it will be. Just I'm waiting, because this low can be a sweep, it can sweep, so that is the reason. This will do one thing, we'll enter with a pure gambling mindset. This is the stop loss and this is the target. 4 lot sizes. It's a big gambling only. One thing. Yeah, we'll keep it. This low is enough, good enough. $2,000 or nothing. No, it's a pure gambling only. If I lose, I may lose $3,900. That too, sometimes in market, no, it will not trigger. Because today's profit is here. That is the profit which I am risking it. We got a good opportunity. Like an idiot I entered. either out, either in. That's it. Two options. This was a good opportunity to enter it down. Just made a mistake. I'm in bullish. I'm in bullish. Whether whatever the news comes. Come on, guys, come on. Come on, guys, come on, guys. Come on. That is the trade. That is the trade. Oh my god. Oh my god. What a live. What a live experience, guys. What a live experience. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is the candle? We got triggered. We made a huge profit, guys. Huge profit. 10k. This is the reality. This is the real. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is this? Everyone would have blown away. Whoever was thinking for a sell, they would have gone dead. One candle, guys. Just imagine, just one candle. Around 578 pips. What is this, guys? What is this? What is this? We made a huge history, guys. That too in a red-handed. We made it. Guys, this is ever today's is a history, guys. Today's is a history. 605 pips. 600 pips. 605. It's not a joking candle, guys. I don't know what to say. $600 pips in one candle. One candle. Just this. Just this. Yeah, now entering it may be risky also. Don't enter, because in a 15 minutes or a 1 hour time frame we have a resistance. This is maybe 4 hours resistance. Okay, if you want to enter one scalp, you can do it down, but after this zone you can do one scalp. That too I don't recommend. But if Bitcoin is happening, where is Bitcoin given the move over? Bitcoin is a dead move. Gold, guys, gold. Oh my god. Really, I am happy. See, guys, this is what market will give. Risk was around $4,000, I think so, 4,500 something. But it has given a good risk reward. It's a huge, guys. Really huge. I'm feeling so happy for it. Actually, it has triggered my target, okay, or else it have gone more. What is the pip? See, I had entered 1:3. Now see, I've entered here and I closed here one day. I will not change anything because I booked the profit here. See, continuously today morning this one was there, in the sense one TP, back to back SLs, two SLs, one break even. This was a break even, and three SLs, almost four SLs were there. One was a break even, one was the TP. See, like this, if you able to capture the trade, no proper risk reward management, you can do wonders. Small one rejection is there. Go with the two stop loss because already we got a good profit. Sell entry. Sell entry. Stop loss will be above this. Target is this. It can be a risky trade also, not an issue. But I made too much. Because the people will be start booking the profits, because this much candle profit they will not leave it down. That is the reason just I entered with the 2 lot size. We'll see, at least just one is there. Keep it till here also. No, this will be the last trade. This will be the last trade because I don't want to enter back to back setups. If market is giving this much, enough for it. If it's go stop loss, it also I'm okay. If I get a profit also, I'm okay. guys. If this hit the profit, then we are done for the day. Okay, no more trades for today. We will just sit and watch what is happening in the market. Maybe chances are there again one bullish candle formation. If liquidity sweep is happening, then also this is the target, guys. This is the target we kept. It will be like that only. Maybe people would have entered here. Up to this also market may come in. Guys, it is almost near to the SL. Just I think it will be give us a round figure of 50. Just will ring. This one now it is in a break even. You know. Because coming up another news is there, but it's not that great news. Chances are there at least market will remain sideways. But as of now also, if it's not sweeping also, it may remain sideways. Till here, this is the proper risk reward ratio. Because this is the proper entry. Because why it is happening like this means bullish candle is happening because of the people who are entered here in this trade. They are waiting that at least some market is coming upside means I can close it. If they close it, again market will tend to fall. Okay, we kept it here, stop loss below this low. We'll see at least what market is doing, whether it comes and respect that zone or it reverse and take a 48 is there. I'm expecting 50. The greedy runs like this only. I was expecting at least market to fall. This is greedy. But no worries, there is no momentum. Even it can remain sideways. Even it can, I can lose my stop loss also. Chances are both the sides are there. It can remain sideways also. No entry. If you're watching for the first time, guys, follow it. Hit the subscribe button. Follow it. Do the like button. And in the description, Telegram channel link is there. Please follow it down. So whenever I'm taking a trade or whatever the news updates are there, I can update in that group. Okay, so that it will be easily, you'll get a notification. You can easily trade it down. So that is the reason I'm just telling it down. Okay, today was the best day. We had a huge profit on this, and second profit is running it. We'll see what is going to happen. Actually, this is the 1:2, more than a 1:2, but I am expecting market to close here. It's a pure greedy. Chances are there, but okay, not an issue. Hi, good evening, Rocky. I think you joined late. It will be in a sideways momentum. Entering now, it doesn't give a value. That too, it's up and down, push and pull will be happening. Don't enter. Better don't enter. How many pips? Just a small pips, it's reversed. The two from here. How many pips? 42 pips. Sometimes no. No, that trade is if it sits in a break even also, there will be a no loss. Okay, you can consider. But I thought I'll close it 50, but I should see whether market will give a 50 or not. Welcome guys, welcome to the channel. Now it has become a sideways. Don't enter it because you may lose the stop loss it also, you may lose the profit also. Entering now, it can be a very risky. Either any side, even if you're going for a buying side also, it will be risky. Even if you're going for a selling also risky. Market knows exactly where it has given the bearish candle, so where it can enter, where it can turn it down. Wait a second, just we'll do one thing, we'll keep the stop losses here. If market is losing, I lose $800. I don't, no, in the same zone it is coming where I entered. Same zone it is respecting. It may take the liquidity and again it may fall. So that is the reason I just changed it up. If it's going, that's okay, not an issue. Okay. How much? Around 400 I saw here. It happens. It hurts. So first one was a huge profit. Second ones I should have closed it here, but this is the entry means market I've closed it, but okay. Expected here was little bit greedy. So that is the reason. No, it will be in a sideways momentum only. Don't enter it down. If you see immediately you have a resistance zone, again back to back you will get stuck it up. Or else wait for this news to close it down. Then if we get an opportunity, we'll enter it. Okay. Yeah, this low, no, the break also, I didn't see that. If you see very carefully, this low rejection is there, not a closed candle. Now missed it out. See, now we may get an opportunity. No, people will think that market will move upside towards upside, but there is a no chance, I think. Market will remain in this zone. Sorry, Rocky. No personal questions. And most importantly, my parents doesn't know just I'm trading with them. He doesn't like this trading. My father doesn't like trading. Yeah, he doesn't like trading. Just just I'm doing some IT job. Is the reason we may get a one small entry. Small entry. Yes, market isn't sideways. Either the momentum should come this way or this way. If this way is there, same entry, stop losses, maybe. Just think this is the stop loss. Yeah, with a small risk. That is the entry, my entry. And this will be the last trade. I'm from India. You can consider that. No, I am taking the trades on the profits only. No entry. It may remain sideways. Patience should be a lot. No entries as of now. But all India languages I can able to speak bit here and there. Not fully, but all South Indian languages also little bit here and there I know. What happened here is, I don't know, it may take my stop loss also, chances are there. I kept it here. What happened is, after seeing this bullish rally, people will think that market will tend to move upside. Market already given a 700 to 800 pips. Either two chances scenarios is there. One, it will take the sweep, the liquidity, then again it may fall. Okay, this liquidity, high liquidity. Or else it may fall from here only. Two chances are there. I think if liquidity sweep happens and a fall down means it's very good. But I don't want to enter it again. Because already lost one last trade, this trade. So again, I don't want to lose it. That is the reason. Or else, little bit high. 2050 is perfect. No entry. This is a sideways, no entry for a new entries. It may be risky. almost near to the stop loss. What market is expecting, either stop loss or a sweep. No, until close no one knows what has happened. Whenever I keep this sideways or no trade zone, never take a trade. If you want to take a trade, always ask me the questions, because whenever you're thinking that okay, whether why this entry has made us, because of a risk only. If even hits my stop loss also, I'm ready, because I made a profit on that. On that only I'm taking a risk. It's people will say trading is not a gambling. No, that is not a true. 100% true is trading is a number one in gambling. Because even the people who are hard earned money also, they lose it down like within a minutes, within a 1 to 3 candle only, like this kind of a candle happens, no, everything they will lose in just a moment, just in a minutes they will lose it. See, there one around $800. See here, I'll show you. Wait, here one $2,300. I think you can able to see this. Here $2,003, and downside the second trade it was a $842. And down if you see, same 4 lots. Okay, same 4 lots buy I entered $10,000. So I risk the trade because of the profit, not because of overconfidence, not because of this one, because back to back rejection is happening in this zone. That is the reason I entered it. Okay, now also there is a no upside momentum. Market will definitely will be in this zone itself for a sure. The candle close should be stronger. See, this is what market will give a trap. First low breakout should be stronger below this. Once this breakout is happening, that time we'll bring the stop loss to the break even zone. If this TP market gives me, it will become more highest. I think now you can hit a like button. Good breakout, good breakout. More stronger. The close is most important for us. Yes, good. Good, good. See, anyone wants to get enter into the trade, they have an opportunity. They can enter with a small loss, 0.1 lot. 0.1 lot. Whatever the size and risk reward capital is there, you can enter in the same entry. Just I'll show you. Just for my subscribers. 0.5 lots. I'll enter from here. Okay, this is the entry, and this is above stop losses. You can keep it in. TP 1:2, or else above this also you can keep a stop loss. This is a better choice. It's a good entry one. Closed above, not close above. It has become failed now because the candle close should not above this EMA. It is very risky. Just it's manipulating because of the news. Maybe that chances is there. See, if I lose $1,646. If I get a profit, at least I'll get a $12,472. See, after the target hitting, I'll not say that it is a correct right. Market can give you the stop loss also. Market can give you the profit also. But always stop loss should be defined from us, not from the market. Okay, always remember that. Whatever the stop loss we kept it, market should take that stop loss only, not more than that. See, this is all panic is because of the scared, because the wrong entries of lot sizes may scared us. Okay, if one moment one candle reverse also, we'll feel that, oh my god, what is happening? Okay, we should tight our stop loss. No, once the stop loss has been fixed up, we should agree that whether stop loss goes, we'll agree, okay, stop loss set has happened. If that trade, news trade was there, no, that was around $4,000 was stop loss was. That was sometime what happened is slippage will happen. That time even 4,000 it will become 8,000 also sometimes. And many times I experienced that. That too in XNS. In XM you leave it. Compared to other brokers and all, XNS is better. Market is pushing harder to push upside, but there is no stronger momentum. Market is waiting for the stronger momentum. Yes, Jaya. Yes, I was in live only. That too, you can see that live video also I posted it. I don't want to make a fake promises, Jaya. I don't want to make a fake because I don't want to earn 1 rupee from my disciples. I don't want to do that. If I give a good proper knowledge, whatever you are learning from here, at least in future, you will try to teach to other peoples also, other fellow members also, even your generation, even to your kids. This platform is only for two things. We will build a strong community where we can sit and chit chat and do the good tradings. Maybe SL may happen. I don't want to hide it from you, sir. Okay, I also do the mistake. I'm also human, right? You people also are humans. Everyone do the mistakes, but doesn't mean that SL should be hided out. Only the profit video I should post. Not like that. No one knows the market where it will turn and where it will go. Just a practicality about earlier candle formation. That's all. This fellow knows what he made. Nothing useful news is given. 7:30. Factory orders monthly positive it has come. It is good for currency. If the market is giving that, means it's a good for currency. It's bad for gold. Until this low break it out, wait for the opportunity. Okay, this low as we need it for now. It may remain sideways only. If it's not also like this, it will fall. Whatever important profit market wants to give, it's already given. So market cannot able to push much more things. There is no much more news also. Master, you trade on live only. I do trade 2 times. After 7:30 or 8:30, I'll close it down. If I get an opportunity that some of the in trading view, what I'll do is I'll keep the alarms. Okay, if that valid zone is respecting, that time I'll check it up. If I feel that yes, it's a valid trade means I'll take a trade. If I feel that is not a valid trade means I'll reject it. That's it. That trades and all, after the live sessions, what I'll do is swing trades I'll be doing. Small lot sizes, it will be 0.5 lots, 0.2 lots, or just 20 lots, or else sometimes with overconfidence 2 lots. I'll keep it for at least 2-3 days. It's like a swing trade only. Sir, I have $200 in my account. What is the lot size and how many trades I can do? There you can do only one thing. $200, you cannot able to survive it. Okay, the surveillance in the trading with the $200, it's difficult. But I'm not saying that it is most difficult. I'll not say that it's the most difficult. The only one thing I can say is, from how many days you are holding the 200? Recently you uploaded, or in the sense recently you deposited, or I don't know when did you deposit it, but only one thing I can say to you is, go with the 0.1 lot size or 0.2. If the more convection is there, go with the 0.02 lot sizes. If it's normal convection means 0.1 lot. You ask me, 0.1 lot size also can make around $100, around $200 in single trades. Chances are more higher as well. Okay, don't just imagine that okay, only 0.1 lot what it can make it out. 0.1 lot size, it can make, just here, just a second, I'll give you the updates. 0.1 lot size can make difference of 10 pips is $1. Minimum 50 pips if you capture, no, $5 means $15. Just with the 20,000 rupees, you can earn around every day 1,000 to 2,000 rupees. It's very good. From 2 months profit and loss maintaining same balance. It's very good. It's a progressive. Because many people, even with $1,000, they cannot able to survive in this market. You are handling means it's very good. You are doing better. You are in a learning phase, I think so, Jaya. Don't worry about anything. Don't even focus for a early quick rich. You should only trade for a time freedom, and you should trade for a future freedom only, financial freedom. You always keep it this in the mind. One is time freedom, another one is financial freedom. Slow and steady, everyday market will give you the opportunity. I will not say don't focus on too many charts. Focus on only whichever the favorite is there, whichever more liquidity is there. You focus on only that chart. That's enough for you. You can do the wonders. Start with 0.01 lot size only. Maybe you can see, and my profit is running 4,122. Maybe someone who had entered with a smaller lot size, their profit will be running very low. Okay, like this. Okay, here 0.5 lots means $41. They'll feel that, see, I'm getting less profit. No, $45 is 4,500 rupees per day. If you calculate for 30 days, it's a huge amount. Okay, people in India, in big MNC company also, they are working for per annum for 4 to 5 lakh CTC. Okay, for a per annum package, 6 lakh, 5 lakh, 6 lakh, 6.5 lakhs. Don't think very bad. I think you are doing very better. Every day you join the classes, every day join the live sessions. See, within a few months, no, you will be strong enough to handle the losses. Okay, you will be strong enough to handle the profit. You will be strong enough to handle everything. One thing you can handle it. One is stop losses. Another one is your your capital. And don't fall for this fake promises. Whatever the knowledge people is giving to you, take it down, learn it down. Even in the YouTube, even in the many of the influencers may give lessons. Okay, teaching is good, learning is good, but everything apply in the market means it will not work. Whatever the books standard knowledges are there, like patterns, all patterns, everything, that is all old school. Now this only the psychology work, key levels will work. Okay, key levels in the sense support and resistance, and psychological and geopolitical news will work in the gold and many other charts also. If you want to master one means gold, you do the master of gold. Daily seeing the candle of mastering the gold means definitely you will be the master. That is why I call my disciples as the disciples. I will not take anybody's name. I'll call them as a disciples, because you, I mean, it's mentioned. No, see, downside you can see in the directly, you can see in the this one only. No, live session only it is running. See, 118 people you can see it down. No, below that only you can see daily. Monday to Friday it will be 9 to 11, and evening it will be 6 to 8. Almost one can. Next to 2 we are almost we are getting. Every day you can join it down. Okay, every day morning sessions, but Monday to Friday only. Saturday, Sunday, it's a family time. Don't run behind the money. Once the trading is boring for you means you're a perfect trader. You should not be excited whenever the candle is formation is happening. You should not be excited that, oh, I should have missed the trade. No, in a FOMO, people will say too many logic words in the YouTube sessions. Okay. Don't believe for that. Okay, if trading is feeling for you it's a boring means that is the right platform for you. If trading is feeling more excited whenever you put the capital, if it feels like I want to take a trade today, I missed the better opportunity means definitely you will be losing that all capital. Just 0.1 lot, 0.2 lots, slowly without losing the capital. Once you made 100% in the sense $200 capital, you should be in a break even of $400. Once the $400 crossover is done only, you are at least can be a perfect trader. Now you are a good trader, because many people would have lost that also. Within 2 days, in early my stages, within just 1-2 minutes only I lost it. Yes, I also did a mistakes. I'm not came from heaven, right? I'm also human one. All nonsense mistake also I have done it now. Now do one thing. If this candle closes here, it is closing it, at least book your partials. If market is giving also, book your partials you can do like this. If 5 is there means just keep it, book it 4, let it run whatever is. I'll also book it, because back to back losing, it doesn't make sense. Okay, see, like this, if you book it on means whether if it's come also not feeling bad, if it's get also not feeling bad. Now you can risk you can make in the break even zone. and focus for 1:2. 1:2, you will be in a safer side, or else once 1:2 is captured, that time you can do at least whatever the partial is there. That time you book some partials, then leave it up. Whether market is giving you fully, it will give fully. If it's not giving fully, that's okay. You can catch in next trade. In the market, every candle no one can capture. Okay, remember that, everybody. So anyone was there in that trade, entered in that trade, booked the profit? Good, RB Princess. Join the join the Telegram group. Downside it is mentioned. See, it's a free only. There is a no any paid courses, no nothing. All day live sessions, all days live teaching only. Whatever the time you are giving to me, that is the precious fees for me. That's it. Not more than that anything. Even the lots you are doing also, you are paying for your learning purpose only, not for me. So only it's a group of community, you can consider like that. Okay, it's a group of community. With the community, we all are taking the trades with the proper discussions. We'll do that. I don't want to make a huge community like 20,000 in the sense 2 million people, then again saying something and selling them something. I don't want to do that, Let it this community be a pure education purpose only. Let it use for the people who doesn't have the money, the people who doesn't have the proper knowledges. Let them be useful for this. Okay, so that is the reason just I kept it up. See, what is the sideways? If you ask me, see, this is the sideways. Okay. Shall I remove this? Okay, it is running. Let it run. The open positions are there. And this is, it's like a disturbance only, so only I'll not even keep this. Only like this I'll open. Now it's clear, I think so. Right, I hope now it's clear, right? My stop losses is below the same zone, in the sense my target. Good, we got that $14. Yeah, this is the reality of gold, full of manipulations. See, all the seller would have entered. Second time entry was the correct sellers, not this seller. This have been a profit booking of from buyers who would have bought it from that zone, who have bought from that zone, right? Then what market has did this, and stop losses where they would have kept it here or somewhere here. Okay, then it has slowly swept that liquidity, then again showed that yes, I'm going down only. So people would have entered here, not here, not in this candle, because you can easily see rejection from downside, right? Candle formation is most important because buying candle always formation will be from a downside. Selling candle formation always from a upside. Disciples will do one thing. We will move the stop losses to target TP to here. Okay, we keep as 110. Because it is not ready to go down. Okay, so already what we booked, this is the target run down, and this is extra bonus. Okay, this is the extra bonus. That's it. This is the extra bonus. That's it. The exact pips, 80 pips is there. I think chances is more higher to sweep this liquidity. Not also, it's not okay. There is this support zone is there, so that is the reason I kept it here. Okay, because market may come and respect this zone. I'm not saying it may not, but chances are very low. Probability become low because the way of falling the selling candles, now it has become so weak. It may, in a sideways market term, you cannot expect the targets very easily. So we'll keep this much only for today. We'll see for tomorrow. If market hits the target, I'll update in the Telegram channel. If you're watching for the first time, do subscribe the channel, and in the description Telegram channel link is there. Do not forget it down. Okay, we'll see you soon in next live video. The timings will be there in the morning 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. and evening will be a 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, see you soon. See you in the next live video, disciples. Good night, take care, sweet dreams. This I'll change it into TP because 1:2 our target, and I think this is has been it, the target. To target 2 SLs.